Most people treat cash management as an afterthought, letting surplus money sit idly in checking accounts or guessing where to put it when a windfall arrives. The ultra-wealthy do not guess, they use a strict matrix. Today, we install the Capital Allocation Matrix to give you a systematic framework for deploying surplus cash like an institution. The error is emotional allocation. When people get extra cash, they make impulsive decisions based on what feels good in the moment, rather than what optimizes their balance sheet. To fix this, you must implement the tiered deployment system. Divide your surplus cash into 3 strict categories: liquidity reserves, growth assets, and high-yield opportunities. Every dollar that enters your ecosystem is assigned its destination before it even lands in your hands. Next, execute the strategic split. Allocate a fixed percentage to safety, ensuring your operational baseline is completely covered. Then, route the majority directly into assets that generate passive cash flow or high compounding yields. Finally, hold a small, highly disciplined slice for opportunistic market moves. By removing emotion from the equation, your money goes straight to work in the exact vehicle it is best suited for. Finally, practice automated governance. Set up rules so your capital allocation happens automatically without requiring your daily willpower. When your deployment matrix runs on autopilot, your wealth builds itself seamlessly in the background. Stop letting surplus cash sit idle or chasing emotional investments. Deploy your capital with institutional precision and let the matrix build your portfolio. If you want to move from accidental consumption to architected growth, subscribe and join the 1% who engineer their time and money. Lead with value, not busy work. This is your protocol for total financial control.